We live in a completely technological world, so we need more and more batteries, be they automotive batteries, high-performance batteries, household appliance batteries, and many others. And the more technological advances advance, the more batteries we will need. Even research shows that batteries are the new gold of the 21st century. Technological advances bring many benefits, such as convenience, safety, comfort, agility, entertainment, and many other benefits. However, the century that most advances technologically is also the century that most pollutes the environment, and one of the factors that causes all this harm is the incorrect disposal of old batteries that can burst, causing leakage of internal fluids such as mercury, lead, and cadmium, which are extremely harmful. With this in mind, we at Review Channel have lovingly prepared a complete review video with everything you need to know before you buy this powerful easy battery reconditioning method. It is critical that you take a close look at this. Unless you want to continue wasting hundreds of dollars a year on batteries and harming the environment. In this video we are going to talk about the easy battery reconditioning method. We also have some really important warnings that we will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention, so that you don't make any mistakes when you purchase easy battery reconditioning. The first thing you need to understand about the easy battery reconditioning method is, be very careful about the website that you are going to buy the easy battery reconditioning method, because it is only sold on the official website. To help you out, I have left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is the easy battery reconditioning method? Does it really work? And the answer is yes, the easy battery reconditioning program works, and after many technical tests, on many different types of batteries, from car batteries, tools, laptop, cell phone, electronics and other devices. So the researchers decided to share this method, helping more than 19,541 people to bring their old batteries back to life instead of disposing of them and thus harming the environment. So yes, you can trust this product. Already many people are reconditioning their old batteries instead of throwing them away, saving many dollars with the powerful easy battery reconditioning method. Even the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who are using the revolutionary easy battery reconditioning method. In addition, many have discovered a new venture: selling batteries that have brought back to life and making huge profits. And now it is your turn to help the environment and enjoy it all. And when it comes to safety for our customers, the easy battery reconditioning team knows what they are doing. To make this decision easier, you can test the easy battery reconditioning method for 60 days, 100% satisfaction, money-back guarantee. During those 60 days you can go through the entire program, follow the instructions and restore all the batteries you want. If you don't like it for any reason, even if the program works perfectly, they give you your money back, and all you need to do is simply send an email, and they immediately refund all your money. So be safe to use easy battery reconditioning. But make sure you are buying from the official website, to ensure the benefits and safety of the guarantee. To help you, I've left the link to the official site below in the description of this video. We at the Review Channel hope we have helped you, and we also hope you enjoy the easy battery reconditioning method very much, saving money, making lots of dollars, and most of all, doing your part against polluting our planet. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel, enjoy this video, and see you next time.